Presenting the Whirlpool IntelliFresh Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator with adaptive intelligence technology and convertible freezer which gives long-lasting freshness and smart storage space. It is available in multiple capacity variants, energy ratings, colors and designs. Whirlpool's adaptive intelligence technology equipped with multiple Intellisensors and an advanced microprocessor continuously senses changes in usage patterns, load inside the refrigerator and outside weather. It then adapts and controls the internal temperature and humidity to give up to 15 days of garden freshness. The convertible freezer comes with 5-in-1 modes that are designed for your customized storage needs. The advanced Intellisense inverter technology adjusts the compressor speed in real-time coordination to give you faster cooling, energy saving, and exceptional durability. It also facilitates you to connect your refrigerator with a home inverter. The scientifically designed air tower and strategically placed vents let out cool and fresh air into different sections of the refrigerator, providing uniform cooling. Integrated at the bottom of the fresh flow air tower, the effective anti-odor action of active dew keeps the inside environment fresh and odor-free. Patented Zeolite inside the freshenizer absorbs the excess ethylene, thereby preventing excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables. The unique Microblock technology prevents up to 99% bacterial growth. The vegetable crisper and the honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintain optimum moisture in your vegetables and keeps them fresh for longer. The end-to-end glass shelves are made of toughened glass for maximum space utilization while holding the weight of large and heavy utensils. The refrigerator comes with a brand warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card or net banking. For further information, visit the product page.